we saw the different kinds of puja, different kinds of upakoran, different kinds of niyam, rules and regulations from the Vedic Yug. We saw the puja, Mahashakti puja, Mahashakti Mahamaya puja, Mahashakti Mahamaya upasana, Mahashakti Mahamaya upasana Shaktivad. We saw Mahashakti Mahamaya upasana Shaktivad Alochana. We saw from the Vedic Yug Mahashakti Mahamaya upasana Shaktivad Alochana Devi Sukto. We saw from the Vedic Yug Mahashakti Mahamaya upasana Shaktivad Alochana not only Devi Sukto but Ratri Sukto. Not only Ratri Sukto, by Gujja Sukto, by not only Gujja Sukto, by Narayana Upanishad, not only Narayana Upanishad, but Jagjik Upanishad, that Kena Upanishad, Bhuvaneshwari Samhita Upanishad, Mahabharata, Bahupuran, and we saw that from the Vedic Yug in Tantra Shastra, not in Indian Tantra Shastra, not in, that is the Hindu Tantra Shastra, we saw Buddha Tantra, we saw Jaina Tantra. If we discuss that Tantra, if we discuss the Buddha and Jaina Dharma Grantha, we saw that is Shakti Puja. If we follow the book, if we follow the Vedic religious book, Buddha religious book, they worship that Buddha. If we Jaina religion book, they worshipped that Jaina. They Purnabhave Jagrant of Jaina, Purnabhave Jagrant of Buddha. Next we saw the Christian, they Purnabhave Jagrant to Jesus Christ. So this is the Antarnita Bhav of Puja. And if we follow the Grantha, we saw that puja, that puja, that puja.